Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Jason Hopkins and the topic of this video is going to be what is traffic generation. Now before I begin, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Be sure to hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future videos that I provide. Now, traffic generation is when you drive traffic to your visitor's website or an online platform, and it's important for you to remember that you must learn how to build a relationship with your audience, giving some kind of value to your audience. So whether it's social media, content marketing, paid ads, the goal is for you to attract the right audience at your doorstep. And more traffic, it leads to more opportunity, and it gets more engagement, and you get more conversions and success online. Now, you might be on a tight budget, so building an online business is one of the most valuable platforms of traffic. Of course, is when you use organic traffic. And one example, as I mentioned earlier, is social media. You can use platforms like Facebook, you can use TikTok, you can use Instagram. Those are great platforms for you to build your tribe and to attract your target audience. And you must build a strong presence using the right hashtags. That ensures that you get more boost in your social media traffic, right? And if you want to boost your traffic a lot quicker, I would consider that you use paid ads. Like for example, I use solo ads, and in the past it has worked for me on many occasions. I was able to get leads and sales. And the thing is, with solo ads, you just need to learn how it works. With the right strategy and the right education, you can you'll be able to drive immediate traffic to your site. Now, I trust you got value from this video. If so, let me know your biggest takeaway. And for more tips, just go to my blog. And if you're wondering how to get on the right path to freedom, well, there's something that you need to do. There's going to be a link of a couple of resources at the bottom of this video. Be sure to click that link, where you'll be directed to a page where you're going to put your name and your email. Once again, I'm Jason Hopkins. Thanks for watching.